How to set up Target REDcard Autopay. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we will learn how we can set up Target REDcard Autopay. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, you have to open up a browser. Head over the search bar. There you have to type in target.com/mycirclecard. Search for it. That's directly gonna take you into login prompt. Here you have to log in into your account, enter your username, enter your password, then tap on sign in. Once you're logged in, now you have to head over to the option as pay a bill from the dashboard or go to autopay tab within the payment section. So for that, first of all, head over to payment section, then go to autopay. Or you could directly head over to pay a bill from your dashboard. Now to set up your autopay, once you're on the autopay page, you have to choose your payment amount. And optionally, you could also include full statement balance, minimum due, or a custom amount. So choose your payment amount, then select your bank account as the payment source. After that, you could pick a start date using your calendar feature. Then you could also choose a frequency and set it to continue until you cancel your autopay. Once you're done with that, finally confirm and click on set autopay. Then Target will confirm your settings either on your screen or via mail. So make sure that you check your mail or you check your confirmation to ensure that it's active. So that's it. That's how you can set up autopay on Target REDcard. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.